Hello and welcome back to the Car Ghost channel, and welcome to not so sunny anymore Tenerife. Everything is in clouds, but note the view. Also, it's kind of high up here, so I'm gonna go down and I'm gonna walk you towards the other side. We're on another mountain road. It's called TF-12. And TF-12 is up in the mountain because note the clouds up there. Let me zoom you in. Clouds are coming down this mountain. Also, we came down this way, all the way from over there to down here and up here, and we're going up this road up there until we reach the other side, and in the other side is even more beautiful. I'm gonna bring you back in the car, the beast of a car that is the Polo right there. We're gonna keep driving the road. Follow me on this one, it's gonna be good. Unlike the roads to Villaflor and the road to Masca, this one is full of vegetation. And a few miles down the road, El Casa de Cumbre, or whatever that means. A little bit of warning for the dangerous road, but look, the sun is coming out through the clouds and present to us more views. There we go. Down there is Santa Cruz de Tenerife, I guess. All right, let's get back on the road because the road is magnificent. Okay, one more view I'm gonna show you before we get back in the car and continue down the road, because we're losing daylight and I'd rather drive during daylight. Notice also how steep this place is right here. But we are in the clouds and it looks just magical.
Oh wow, there is the sun.
And the sun is out. The sun is out,
So
and we got company.
Very...
Alright. So guys, what are your names?
Christoph.
Christoph and?
I'm
Nicole.
Sabrina.
Sabrina and Ivan.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you guys. You can check it out if you like. This is I got one of the cards from the backpack.
Thanks. Yeah, cool. Car Ghost.
Car Ghost.
Sounds scary.
Yeah.
Gonna say. Perfect.
Okay, great.
So
It was nice meeting
I'm
you.
just gonna leave
great.
you right here.
Yes, thank you.
You guys are gonna figure it out.
Yeah, sure.
Enjoy your
And,
vacation.
Enjoy your stay.
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Cheers.
Bye.
It was nice to meet you guys. Okay, we got the hitchhikers out and we're gonna go have some coffee. Now, I know that only the most observant viewers are gonna notice that today is a different day. Not that I'm with different clothes or I don't have my beard anymore or the glasses, but we're in the same road. We lost the daylight the other day. Look at this place. There is ocean there and there's ocean behind us. We're on the top of the mountain in between two beautiful roads, and let me zoom you in on what I'm seeing right there. This is the road we're driving on, and this is my face smiling. Now we're going to a little cafe that is on a very picturesque place down in village, down this road, so we can get cake, and cake is for my birthday because I have birthday today. And let me show you where the Polo is. The Polo is parked right in there, cradled in the mountain, waiting for me to let it loose down the road. I'll see you at the pastry shop. And we just arrived at Cafe Melita. It's a picturesque cafe right here on a cliff overlooking at the ocean and the waves, and usually there are some surfers down there, but also here is Baja Mar. That is the city where the cafe is, but let me just show you over here the waves. It's the dream of the surfers. Now let's go and pick cake for my birthday. What do you guys rather have? The chocolate and meringue, or maybe fruit cake? The one with the raspberries, lemon, or another chocolatey thing kind of? We ordered a few. We did order a few, and then we're gonna decide which one it's gonna be. And here is the view.